Yes, sir.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be doing some Walmart Spark, some DoorDash, and some Uber Eats. I got my first order already. We got $29.73, y'all. Starting off with a nice order at 9.1 miles. There's 2 orders on this one. Now check this out. I'm at the Wood River Walmart, right? And we got an incentive going. There's actually multiple incentives going, but the one I'm actually focused on is this one right here. It's a hit each milestone of trips to get the incentive of up to $70. So if you do, what we got? If you do 12 trips, you get 35 bucks. And if you do 18 trips, you get 80 bucks. So I'm all over it. I'm trying to get that. And look, they got my stuff right here. Sir, we jamming today. As soon as I started recording, I already brung my order out. We rolling, let's go. So like I was saying, we got an incentive going. If you do 12 trips, you get an extra 35, and 6 more after that. 18 trips, you get an additional 70. So I got today, tomorrow, and the next day to try to do that. So if I do 6 trips, if I do 6 trips per day, I'll be able to hit that. Let's get it. First Walmart Spark order of the day, and I like it. Right close to Walmart, didn't even have to go that far for real. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you just, alrighty. Now they do got a couple new screens on the Walmart Spark, so it tells you if you can get a picture of the address in your delivery picture, they recommend you do that just to make sure that you firm your delivery and they can see that address. Let's head on over to this next one. We doing man good. Look what I just did. I just broke my light. My light, man, I just broke it. I slammed the trunk on it on accident, so now I do not have a light. It still work, but the attachment part that it hooks up to is destroyed. And look, now it's just changing colors. Oh man, it's all messed up. Like I need a new light now, y'all. Like it's all bad. That's just the joys of being an independent contractor. You know, you break something, guess what? Now you get to pay for it. So I get to buy some new equipment. Next order, we right back at the Wood River Walmart. I got $17.60 for 1.4 miles. I like that cash flow. I like that miles to money ratio. So we finna slide up in here and get this one knocked out. It's only 22 items on this one, and it wouldn't have mattered if it was more items, because with the mileage being so low, this is a perfect order. And the time is now 9:40, so I've been out for 40 minutes exactly. Got $29 in the bank already, and then I'm able to get this one done before the 4-hour mark is up, and hopefully be right back to get my next order. Yes sir, got all of that shopping done. Only took me 10 minutes, and now I got 2 minutes before my first hour is up. And guess what? I got a 2-minute drive to my destination, so we finna make $46 for this first hour just with Walmart Spark. First hour down, and I just made it back to the Wood River Walmart. We're I can't even talk right. I just made it back to the Wood River Walmart. I'm sitting here in parking spot number 15, and I just got my next order. Man, I might need to go ahead and do a little bit of work over here at this Walmart, because this mug is popping. Next order, $28.10 for 4.3 miles. You know, 2 orders. Like who gonna say no to that? Because I know I'm not. That right there gonna put me closer to 70 bucks in my first 3 orders. Like, let's go. So this one got a pickup time of 10:45, so it's 10:20 right now. So it's gonna be 20 minutes before it's ready. But you know what? Excuse me. I just wanted to check real quick, because it did say 10:45, but it says it's ready right there. Got the first part of this delivery dropped off. You got to drop off this second tote, and this was actually the bigger part of the delivery, so I'm cool with it. The second order only has 3 items, just one little bitty bag, so nice. We got this one dropped off. Now we heading to the next one. Alrighty, we at drop off number 2. This one is nice and easy. One little bitty bag. Let's go. This is what I be trying to tell y'all. Walmart Spark is easy money. If you ain't getting this money on Walmart Spark, I need you to go ahead and download the Spark app. Go ahead, get on that waiting list. I know it's a waiting list. You know, a lot of folks been telling me they've been waitlisted for months and waiting on a background check. It's worth it. It is definitely worth it. Because look, I'm already 3/4 of the way to my daily goal. And it ain't even been 2 hours yet. Just got my next order. We picked up an $11 order going 4 miles right over here on Uber Eats. This one's gonna be a Sonic's pickup, so it's a drive-through. I like it, and it keeps my wheels rolling. I did actually just make it back to Walmart, but I don't have an order yet. And I suspect that at 11:45, the next round of orders is gonna drop. So that's cool. Gives me time to head over here to Sonic, get this order done, and I'm still making money. I had to wait a little bit for that last order, but the dollar amount was so high that I was cool with it. But you know what? I would have been willing to wait for this next order, but I ain't got it yet. So I'm glad that I turned on Uber, and I'm glad I got something over there, because now I can continue to make my money. So I'm at 75 bucks already with just Walmart Spark in 2 hours of work. So I'm gonna go grab this $11 order. That's gonna put me at 86 bucks. And hopefully, while I'm on my way to this order or on my way to the delivery, I expect to get a Walmart Spark order so I can bring my butt right back over here, or even if it's one to the other locations, either the Glen Carbon one or the Granite City. But one more Walmart Spark, that'll put me at 4 trips at the beginning of the day. Then I'll have all day to complete at least 2 more, because I only need to do 6 trips on Walmart Spark per day, 18 in total, and I'm gonna get that $75 bonus. And I need that, because that's all extra money. That could be my whole gas week for all next, my whole gas for all next week. So I'm definitely gonna be hopping on that and making sure I complete all 18 of these Walmart Spark trips. That's the point, maximize. Alrighty guys, we just made it to Sonic. I'm sitting here waiting on them to bring this order out, and I got my next Walmart Spark order, $21.31. Man, Saturday, everybody is on point today. I pulled up, I couldn't even finish talking about the order because they brung it out so fast. I'm already heading to the delivery. Can't complain when the days flow like this and you just making your money. Can't even complain, man. I got $21.31 Walmart Spark shop and deliver, 25 items. I'm about to drop this Sonics off, head right back to Walmart, and guess what? Finna be over my daily goal in the first 3 hours. Come on. Like, I'm showing you how to get this money easy on your own time. All you gotta do is wake up and get to it. Alrighty guys, we doing good today. We are at the 3 hour mark right now. So let's go ahead and add up some totals and see where we at. I know I had an $11 Uber order. We got 21.31, 10, because you know I just be doing estimates, and I want to give you guys an exact total of where we at. $17.60 and $29.73. We are at $107.74 with 3 hours of work. Let's divide that. $35 an hour, almost $36 an hour using Walmart Spark, and only did 1 Uber app, so it's still multi-apping, but 90% Walmart Spark. Let's get it. Now, I'm gonna go home and take a break real quick, and I'll be back out to smash it off for the evening shift. And since I already hit my $100 goal, I might as well set a new goal for the day and try to make an additional $150. Let's get it. If you're enjoying this video, look, I need you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and go ahead and check out this next video, because look, it's the one you two think you should watch, so you might as well go ahead, and I'll holler at you.